Okay guys, you have been waiting. I am finally dropping my hair tutorial, so get ready with me now. Good morning. So I need to refresh my hair today since I decided to sleep without my bonnet. I've been rocking these curls for about like 5 days. So yeah, since I didn't sleep with my bonnet, it's time to redo it. So I'm going to show you guys my hair routine since I get so many questions of how I do my hair. So let's get started. So the first step will be for me to detangle my hair. So I'm not going to shampoo it because I have a hair appointment next week and my stylist is going to do that because I'm getting my ends trimmed. But and I don't like over shampooing in my hair. So I'm just going to detangle it with some conditioner, and then I'll show you the conditioner I use, but we're going to go from there. This is how my afro looks. Since I did sleep without a bonnet, it's starting to look a little dry, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and refresh my fro and show you what I do to get my curls. So be right back. Okay guys, I am back. My hair is kind of dry. It's not as wet as it was when I got out the shower. I mean, the back kind of still is, but I got distracted. So I'm gonna put some more water in her so she can be fully saturated, and I'll go ahead and put some products in her. So I'll be back. I just wanted you to see her in her natural state, like fresh out the shower. Well, not fresh because I told you I got distracted, but you know what I mean. You get the drift. Okay, so I went ahead and added some more water in her. This is the conditioner I used when I was in the shower. It's okay. I normally use Carol's Daughter, but of course I'm out. I'm also just putting some leave-in conditioner in her because the key to a good fro is a moisturized fro. So I'm just gonna like throw this in here. Definitely get those ends. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Pick up the phone, show me. Now I'm about to divide my girl up. Where did my brush go? I ain't never prepared. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my brush. I'm going to divide my hair up in sections. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Pick up the phone, show me what's. So I went ahead and divided it into sections. This just keeps my hair moisturized and, wet throughout the process until I get to the section. So I don't have to keep adding water throughout the entire thing, because I feel like for my fro to be like fluffy and moisturized, you have to do it soaking wet. So the next step, I'm about to just start in different sections, and I use like 4 different products in my hair. So first I'm going to start with some leave-in conditioner. Last time I used this, I just didn't care for how it's just so hard to come out the pump. So this time I'm just going to use the Carol's Daughter. I did put this in my hair before, but it wasn't that much. So yeah, we're going to start off with some leave-in conditioner. We're going to make sure the ends are super moisturized. And then that's just with the leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm going to use this. It smells really good. Definitely smell like some blueberry mist. And then I'm just gonna work it into the section. Make sure I get those ends. Next, I'm gonna use this Control Jelly. This is just what I used last time, and I just really liked how my fro turned out and how long it lasted. So I'm just gonna use that much in this section. And I'm going to work it through there. Oh, this part's getting on my nerves. Okay. You want your curls to really already be forming as you work it through your hair. Yeah, see, like they're already forming. This is how you manipulate your curl pattern. And then next, I will be using this gel. I just use like a little bit. This really just holds the curl. And again, I'll work it throughout the entire section from a root to end. There you go. Really gripping it. Alright, now that is formed, I'm just going to take it in small pieces, and then I'm just going to start curling it with my finger. And you're just going to keep on doing that until this section is complete. Let me get a little closer. Last time I did them kind of big. I'm gonna do it more smaller. Since I have time today, I'm even going to do them more smaller. I think the smaller you do them, the more fuller it looks when it's dry. Because I have a big fro, so I just don't want it big with spiral ends. I'm really gonna take my time with this fro today. And like this back part, I haven't got to it yet, and it's like because all the products I put in, just like my curls are already looking moisturized and defined. But this technique, like actually using my hand for every part, makes it even more defined. Okay, so this section is pretty much done. You see how defined my curls look. And time to move on to the next. Okay guys, I am all done. Now it's time to dry my curls. So you don't really want to touch your curls unless you're trying to like reform them. So just do this one. There we go. So I'm gonna put my blow dryer on warm and high. Okay, so now that my hair is partially dry, now I'm gonna grab my diffuser and go in at the roots as I pull down. So let's get started.
the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find why I give you all you need.
Okay, so these are my curls. They're still not fully dry yet, but y'all get the gist. I just keep doing my diffuser.
In the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find why I give you all you need. I know what you like. I believe something. Tell me something, yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
So because my hair has gotten longer, I had to find a different technique, and I actually love doing my hair like this. This is the second time I've done it like this, and it always turns out pretty amazing. So I can rock this for like the next week or so, and I just love this as my protective hairstyle. I don't touch it, and it just grows, and it's moisturized, and I love it. She looks great. Okay guys, that is everything. That is how I complete my curly fro. I'm so happy that I could help you with all your questions of how I, get my fro to look like this. But in a different video, I'll show you how I tie her up at night before I go to bed so I can keep the curls looking good. So bye. Thanks for watching.